We now return to Gangstalicious Resurrection.
Resurrection? The nigga ain't dead.
He been shot a bunch of times, alright? At least he trying.
By late last year, the ongoing feud between Gangstalicious and his crew from New West Manchester, Delaware,
Yeah, nigga, what's hood?
and Eat Dirt and his crew
Fool.
from Lickety-Split, Virginia, had escalated to the brink of catastrophic warfare.
Catastrophic warfare? It's just some dumb niggas beefing.
What you talking about, fool? This is war.
Yeah, the nigga version of the Cuban Missile Crisis.
Tensions exploded at an awards show last year when a chair was thrown at Eat Dirt.
All I'm saying is, you know what I'm saying, shit's real. You know what I'm saying? Shit just ain't music, right? You know what I'm saying? This is some bona fide, unimpeachable gangster shit, you know what I'm saying? It's some indubitable shit, nigga.
What he said, yucca.
Yeah, man, this motherfucker darn thing got no something on your pick on your foot, man. Nigga, what's the with that, nigga? Come on.
Then, later that year, an altercation in a Miami nightclub between Gangstalicious and Eat Dirt ended in violence. In the resulting struggle, both rappers accidentally shot themselves.
Man, when I got shot, I was like, you know, never again. They ain't never gonna happen to me again. You know what I'm saying?
We now return to Gangstalicious Resurrection. The judge allowed Gangstalicious' music to be introduced as evidence at his assault trial. They played for the jury a track called Play It for the Jury.
I keep telling these people this shit is supposed to be just music, you know what I'm saying? I mean, you really think about it, is it worth it?
Yeah, my name is Riley, son. But you know, niggas call me AKA Riley Escobar, you know what I'm saying? Cause I be in the streets, you know? I got all kinds of names like HR Paper Stacks, also known as AKA Horse Choker, AKA Pillsbury Dope Boy, AKA Louis Rich.
What's that?
Yeah, like this.
What the hell is thuggin' love? Who we want thuggin' love? Is that when you make love to your woman, then right before that special moment, you beat upside the head, snatch your purse, and throw it down the stairs?
Well, la-dee-da-dee-do. Look like we got us the winner of the lucky